It's often necessary to use multiple audio processing software programs in test and measurement applications. SoundCheck scaling options make it easier to manipulate audio files between packages while retaining maximum data integrity. For example, you might acquire audio files using another device and need to process them in SoundCheck. Or conversely, you may want to take SoundCheck acquired data and import it into MATLAB for additional analysis. SoundCheck uses a proprietary binary file format for handling audio files, .wfm, which is a digital amplitude versus time representation of analog audio. This format is advantageous as it saves the metadata such as units, scaling factors, etc. along with the data. However, SoundCheck also supports the widely used .wav format, including multi-channel WAV files for easy data transfer between programs. It's important when transferring files between systems to ensure that they are correctly scaled and to understand how they are scaled. SoundCheck offers a variety of options. Normalizing a wave to peak, full-scale deflection, saves the waveform so that the peak value of the waveform is 100% full scale regardless of the actual level of the waveform. This ensures that when you're saving recordings to be played back out of a different system, you're using as much headroom as possible, therefore maximizing the signal-to-noise ratio. However, the absolute calibration in physical units, for example volts or pascals, are lost. If you're working with multiple files and need to retain the differences in level between them, you can scale them to the sound card VP value. This lets you save them as WAV files but retains the relative difference in level between them and will play the WAV file back at the same level when using the same sound card. You can also save the waveform relative to a user-defined maximum level of physical units, which can be useful if you are exporting data to be used in other tools such as MATLAB. You have similar options when you're importing a WAV file into SoundCheck. SoundCheck prompts you to select either the units of full scale, where the max amplitude of digital sine wave is -3 dB, or the AES 17 full scale option, where the max amplitude is 0 dBFS. So, as you can see, there are various options for both saving and opening WAV files, giving you the flexibility you need for exchanging SoundCheck files with other programs while maintaining data integrity. More detailed information is available in the SoundCheck manual.